Hi friends and my dear children, welcome to my channel Kannada by Telugu on my channel. Okay, today I am going to give you 40 MCQs from the history part, that is first war of Indian independence and freedom movement. So before going to the video, if anybody are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, comment to this video and press the bell icon to get the regular notification. First war of Indian independence. British called the revolt of 1857 as First war of Indian independence, Sipahi mutiny, Great Revolt and movement. So here B option is the correct answer. So first war of Indian independence, this one described by Indian historians, but Sipahi mutiny, the British historians described to this revolt as a Sipahi mutiny. Doctrine of lapse policy was introduced by Robert Clive, Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Cornwallis. Okay, here C option is the correct answer. So Robert Clive, okay, he introduced dual government in India. Lord Wellesley, he introduced that system called subsidiary alliance. Lord Dalhousie, doctrine of lapse. Lord Cornwallis, he introduced the permanent settlement system. Queen Victoria issued declaration in the year 1857, 1860, 1858, 1885. So here C option is the correct answer. So in 1857 the Great Revolt took place. In 1860, also one of the important date, 1858 Queen Declaration, and 1885 the Indian National Congress established. So C option is the correct answer. The British officer who abolished the kingship of Tanjavur and Carnatic Nawabs was Dalhousie. A option. Okay, why? Because he introduced the doctrine of lapse, so that this kingdom that doesn't have that natural heir, so they abolished that kingship. So A option is the correct answer. Industrial revolution first began in this country. So A option, America, Russia, England, Holland. So here C option is the correct answer. Indian industries reigned by the Industrial Revolution were mainly here cotton and wool industries. Why? Because during that time these are all the basic industries of India. Indian industries called the revolt 1857 as first Indian freedom struggle, or the first war of Indian independence. So here A option is the correct answer. Revolt in Kanpur was led by Mangal Pandey, Tatya Topi, Bahadur Shah, Nana Sahib led by the revolt in Kanpur. The Indian who killed British officer was Tatya Topi, Anna Sahib, Nana Sahib, Mangal Pandey. So D option is the correct answer, Mangal Pandey. The commission formed by the British to confiscate Inam land was Inam Commission, Hunter Commission, Wavell Commission, Woods Commission. So here A option is the correct answer. The incident that triggered Indian soldiers' religious beliefs was not paying salary, no promotion, overseas work, and risky training. So here C option is the correct answer. So here 4 options what we can see there, not paying salary, no promotion, risky training. These are all things are very poor conditions of the Indian soldiers during the 1857 revolt. During the British administration, this language became the language of the court. Kannada, English, Sanskrit, Prakrit. B option, English is the correct answer. So even this one is also one of the important administrational causes for the 1857 revolt. Why? Because Indians are not able to understand that language, what they are giving judgment. So even that is also one of the reason for it. British introduced a new rifle named AK-47, Royal Enfield, Royal 47, Marshall gun. Here B option is the correct answer, that is Royal Enfield. The cartridges of Enfield rifle smeared with the fat of pig and cow, pig and goat, cow and goat, sheep and pig. So here pig and cow. So these two are animals, are religious, sentimental animals of the Hindu and Muslims. So this one is made to the immediate cause for the 1857 revolt. A revolt in Jhansi was led by Lakshmi Bai, Nana Sahib, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Tatya Topi. So here Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, A option is the correct answer. An immediate cause for the revolt of 1857 was Doctrine of Lapse policy, Inam Commission, introduction of Royal Enfield guns, Industrial Revolution. So obviously C option is the correct answer. The Mughal king who was declared as the Emperor of India was Bahadur Shah II. So B option is the correct answer. The Mangal Pandey rose in revolt against Britishers at Lucknow, Kanpur, Meerut, Barakpur. So here Barakpur. Mangal Pandey rose in revolt against the Britishers at Lucknow, Kanpur, Meerut, Barakpur. So D option is the correct answer. The Sipahis lost the faith of common people because the looting and plundering by the soldiers. So children, here you can see there 4 also: lack of support from the native kings, lack of proper direction, lack of good leadership, along with the looting and plundering by soldiers. See, these 4 options also are main causes to fail the revolt of 1857 revolt. So here a B option is the correct answer. The British decided to involve Indians in the process of legislation through this policy called policy of association. A option is the correct answer. Next, seventh lesson, freedom movement. The Indian National Congress was founded in the year 1885. 1885. So 1885 is the correct answer. In 1861, the Charter Act also passed. In 1905, Bengal was divided. In 1911, again the Bengal has been united. So this 4 year also very important. The Drain-Treaty was forwarded by Dadabhai Naoroji. C option is the correct answer. So here M.G. Ranade, G.K. Gokhale, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji, S.N. Banerjee. These four are all moderates. Swaraj is my birthright was declared by W.C. Banerjee, means here Umesh Chandra Banerjee, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B.R. Ambedkar, Gandhiji. So here B option, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, is correct answer. Bal Gangadhar Tilak published a newspaper in Marathi called Kesari. Kesari in Marathi, Maratha in English. So here A option is the correct answer. Mukanayaka, Samvada Kaumidi, and Commonwealth. These are also three other books published by the different freedom fighters. A secret organization by name Abhinava Bharati belonged to revolutionaries. So C option is the correct answer. The founder of Indian National Congress is A.O. Hume. B option is the correct answer, and other three are wrong answer. Maratha paper was published by Bal Gangadhar Tilak in English language. Actually, he published that. Muslim League was founded in 1924, 1922, 1929, and 1906. So D option is the correct answer. The viceroy who implemented the Bengal division was Lord Curzon. Okay, Lord Curzon is the correct answer. Lord Cornwallis, Lord Dalhousie, Robert Clive. So here the Bengal division was made by Lord Curzon in 1905. The rule of East India Company in 1858. So after the revolt of 1857, the company administration, East India Company administration has started in 1858. The Vernacular Press Act was implemented by Curzon to curb the independence of the press. So B A option is the correct answer. Yeah. And other three are encouraging freedom movement, establish universities, promote trade in India. The three are wrong. The freedom fighters who had faith in the rule of British and judiciary were moderates, radicals, revolutionaries, socialists. So here A option is the correct answer. This group of freedom fighters were called political beggars. They are moderates. Actually here radicals are described them as a political beggars. So here B option is the correct answer. A secret organization named Lotus and Dagger was founded in England. So C option is the correct answer. The group congressmen who criticized the soft stance of moderates are called moderates, radicals, revolutionaries, socialists. So here radicals is the correct answer. In 1905, Viceroy Lord Curzon thought of dividing Bengal because to suppress anti-British sentiment. Okay, means here only one reason to divide that Bengal. So the Bengal is one of the largest city where we can see there a large number of people, and there is a Hindus and Muslims. So he wanted to break the unity among the Indian and Hindu and Muslim. So that's the reason, and he divided that. And one more thing, he wanted to stop that anti-British activities in Bengal. So that is the another reason to divide the Bengal. So the British government withdrew the Bengal division in 1905, 1906, 1911, 1914. So here 1911 they have withdrawn and reunited. So that again it Bengal became a Bengal, West Bengal. Ganesha, Shivaji and Durga celebrations to organized by Balagangadhar Tilak. So he started to celebrate these three festivals because to create unity among the Indians. So that's the reason even today also we are continuing that celebration of these festivals. Tilak wrote a book, Annie Besant, Dadabhai Naoroji, Balagangadhar Tilak, D option RC Dutt, Balagangadhar Tilak. A group of freedom fighters who believed to drive away the British by employing violent methods is called revolutionaries. Revolutionaries, C option is the correct answer. Find out the group of moderates leaders or W.C. Banerjee, S.N. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Okay, so C option is the correct answer. Find out the group of radicals like Aravindo Ghosh, Bipin Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So B option is the correct answer. Find out the group of revolutionary leaders: Bhagat Singh, V.D. Savarkar, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose. So here A option is the correct answer. So like this here today I have given nearly 40 to 43 MCQs, okay, multiple choice questions, whichever I feel very important to your examination purposes. So children, please watch this video till the end and you get that benefited. Okay, so children, thank you. Okay, I am going to wind this video. So again I am telling you, please subscribe and support me, friends and my dear children. Okay, if you'll do that, really I'll get that motivation to make a large number of videos which are related to social science. So that's the reason, children or friends, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, press that bell icon to get that videos notification. Thank you, bye bye, take care, See you in the next video. Bye.